Now, good morning students. Now after reading substitution method, elimination method and this exercise 3.5, we have read about unique solution, no solution, many solution. And another method solving of these solutions, that is cross multiplication method. We have to know it. आपको नहीं पढ़ना है. एक्सरसाइज 3.5 में ये जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ से हम कुछ क्वेश्चन कराएंगे. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम मैंने 3.3 में भी कराया, 3.4 में भी कराया और 3.5 में भी, और इसके बाद 3.6 भी है. उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 3.1 और 3.2 जो कि ग्राफिकल मेथड है, उसको हम लोग लास्ट में पढ़ेंगे. सबसे पहले ये देखते हैं कि एक पार्टी या मंथली हॉस्टल, एक पार्टी a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay ₹1,000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pay ₹1,180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. That means hostel charge को दो भाग में दिया गया है. सबसे पहले क्या लेंगे फिक्स चार्ज और फूड पर डे. तो सब कुछ कर देते हैं हम लोग. लेट the fixed charges be rupees X and food per day the cost of food per day be rupees Y. What is the first condition? First condition. In part of monthly hostel charges, तो फिक्स चार्ज और स्टूडेंट कितना है 20 डेज, पे कितना करा 1,000. तो सबसे पहले हम फिक्स चार्ज लेंगे, उसके बाद पर डे का उनका चार्ज वाई. तो हाउ मेनी चार्ज ऑफ 20 डेज, 20 डेज का चार्ज कितना हो जाएगा. वन डे का वाई तो 20 डेज का 21. ये तो फूड वाला हो गया. और ये क्या है फिक्स चार्ज. टोटल अमाउंट हो गया आपका 1,000. And now the second condition. Second condition, what is this? Where is A student B who takes for 26 days? Same fixed charge 26y is 1,180. And what you can say now? You subtract equation 1 from 2, which is x equal a. So it is easy for the elimination methods. On subtracting equation 2, on subtracting equation 2, equation 1 from 2, we get 1 from 2. 2 से 1 निकालेंगे, इसका साइन चेंज, x out, 26 minus 20, this is the 6y. It is how much? 180. So y is equal to 180 by 6. 6 is 8. And you put putting y is equal to 30 in 1, we get This means 400. And here fixed charge rupees 400 and cost of food per day this rupees 30, very small amount, 30 rupees. Now in fraction, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 where 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Very easy question. You will write 8, the fraction be x upon y. In x upon y, it is the numerator, it is the denominator. Clear? So here apply the first condition. What is the first condition? A fraction becomes 1 by 3 where 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Numerator से 1 निकाल दीजिए, it is 1 by 3. Cross multiplication, 3x minus 3, it is y, and 3x minus y, this is 3. Again, second condition, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator and find the fraction. Again, x upon y, denominator, it is 1 by 4, this is 4x, which is y plus 8, 4x minus 5, this is 8. You can see here, y and y क्या है? सेम है, तो कौन सा मेथड एप्लीकेबल होगा? एलिमिनेशन मेथड डिपेंड है. You can use the directly because y by same. तो लिख लीजिए on subtracting equation 1 from 2 minus 1. आप लिखना on subtracting equation 2 from on subtracting equation 1 from 2. You can see उसमें से इसको निकालेंगे, इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 4x minus 3x, which is only x, and here minus y plus y will be out. 8 minus 3 is 5, and putting x is equal to 5 in 1, we get 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3. This is 50 minus y. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 15. This 3 minus 15. This 3 minus 15 will be minus 10. So what is the y? 12. And so what is the fraction? Fraction is x upon y. 5 upon 12. You can take 5 minus 1 4 by 12 and calculate this. It is your answer. Now, yes scored 40 marks in a test being 3 marks for its right answer and losing 1 mark for its wrong answer, and 4 marks being awarded for its correct answer and 2 marks being deducted for its incorrect answer. then S would have scored 50 marks. So how many questions were there in the test? So in the test there are two types of questions. So he has solved right answer and correct answer. Correct and incorrect. तो राइट आंसर और इनकरेक्ट आंसर इन दोनों के लिए उसको मार्क्स मिल रहा है, तो दोनों मिला के टोटल क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर आपको सपोज करना पड़ेगा, लेट द नंबर ऑफ राइट आंसर let the number of right answers be x and number of wrong answer be 1. Number of right answer be x and number of wrong answer be x. So total number of questions, this is x plus y. So what you can say, first condition, S scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for its right answer and using 1 marks for wrong answer. तो कितना मार्क्स हुआ है? 40 मार्क्स. 3 मार्क्स फॉर राइट आंसर. तो राइट आंसर के लिए 3, तो 3x हो जाएगा, और रॉन्ग आंसर -1 into y, which is -y. दिस इज 40. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. आप लोग क्वेश्चन को सीरियसली पढ़िए. देखिए, yes scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer. एक राइट आंसर, 1 राइट आंसर के लिए कितना मार्क्स? तो x राइट आंसर के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? 3x. और एक रॉन्ग आंसर के लिए 1 मार्क्स सिलेक्ट हो जा रहा है, यानी y रॉन्ग आंसर है. तो -5 तो हाउ मच? 40. चलिए सेकंड कंडीशन हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. सेकंड कंडीशन में क्या है? had 4 marks been awarded for its right answer, तो 4x right answer के लिए ले लिया गया, and 2 marks been deducted from incorrect answer for it, so 2y, and how much scored? 50 marks scored. This is 50. All you can see here, they are divisible by 2, all divided by 2. We get this 2x, this is -y, is 25. You can see y is same. So you subtract 1 minus 2. आप ऐसे लिखेंगे, on subtracting equation 2 from 1. तो ये देखिए माइनस प्लस और माइनस 3x minus 2x, how much? x. आप जिनको लिखने पढ़ लो, ये हो गया आपका जैसे 3x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 which is 25. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, साइन चेंज हो जाता है, यहाँ x बचेगा, ये आउट हो जाएगा. Now putting x equal to 1, we get minus 45. This minus y is minus 5, so y is 5. So this is the total number of questions. This is 15 plus 5. How much? Right. Now places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B. At the same time, if the cars travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours, and if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So, what are the speeds of the two cars? Places A and B are 100 km apart. जरा ध्यान से समझिए, एक प्लेस यहाँ है, एक प्लेस यहाँ है, ये A है और ये क्या है? इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 100 किलोमीटर. एक कार यहाँ है, एक कार यहाँ है. इसका हम लोग नाम रखेंगे कार A और कार B. दोनों कार स्टॉप हो रहे हैं एट द सेम टाइम, दे ट्रैवल इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. इसी डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे. एट डिफरेंट स्पीड they meet in 5 hours. तो कितने डायरेक्शन में कितने मिल जाना है? 5 hours. इसका स्पीड हम लोग लेते हैं x किलोमीटर पर आवर, इसका y किलोमीटर पर आवर. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे x is greater than y, तभी x से मिलेगा. जब ये सेम डायरेक्शन में हो, सेम डायरेक्शन they are in same direction, then total speed, this is x plus y. टोटल स्पीड कितना हो जाएगा? सॉरी, x minus y. And when they are in opposite direction, then total speed x plus y. अगर ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आ जाएंगे तब उनका टोटल स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा? x plus y. और अगर सेम डायरेक्शन में रहेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? x. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या होता है? स्पीड इनटू टाइम. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस. व्हाट इज द स्पीड? फर्स्ट कंडीशन टाइम कितना लग रहा है? 5 आवर्स. टोटल डिस्टेंस 100. so x minus y, 100 upon 5. Second condition, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. That means x plus y is t into time. This is 100. Now, so you solve it. After solving, you can take on adding equation 1 and 2. What will be x and x? 2x minus y plus y out. This is 120. 120 by 2, which is 6. And after this, x is equal to 60. In 1, we get so what we can say, speed of, what are the speeds of two cars? Speed of per A 60 km per hour and speed of per B. So easy, but you check. आप जब देखोगे जब ये दोनों एक डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तो टोटल स्पीड आपका क्या हो जाएगा, उनका सब्ट्रैक्ट करो। अगर ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हो जाएंगे तो इनका टोटल स्पीड आपका ये है। तो इस चीज को ध्यान दीजिएगा, इसी का हम लोग कुछ ये है। The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units, its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If you increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. Area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. You will say let the length and breadth of rectangle be x unit and y unit, x units and y units respectively. And what is the first condition? Area of rectangle gets. Do you know area? Area is x. So length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So area reduced by 9 square units. यानी एरिया आपका कम हो जा रहा है। दैट मीन्स एरिया आपका एक्स वाई माइनस which length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. This equal to 9. कम हो जा रहा है, ये कम है क्या? लेंथ 5 यूनिट रिड्यूस किया जा रहा है और इसको बढ़ाया जा रहा है, यानी एक्स वाई प्लस 3x माइनस 5y माइनस 50 which is 9. Now you take it, this is equation 1. Second condition, if you increase the length by 3 units, breadth by 2 units, the area increase by 67. Now x plus 3 and y plus 2. अब ये लेंथ जो होंगे ना आप देख सकते हैं, L into B. A and to B. This is 67. It is xy. It is 2x. It is 3y. B to the 6. And it is here 2x. (67) minus this, it is 61. Now you can see here is the minus 3, here is the 2. All multiplying this one by 2 and 2 by 3. All multiplying equation 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 3 is 6. 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. And we get and we add. So what are we getting? Multiplying here 1 2 3 say 2 3s are 6x, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again by 3, 3 3s are 6x, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Adding this is the 19y, 3 minus 2 1, 7 and 1. So y is equal to this, correct? Now y is equal to 171 by 19. This is 9. So you putting y is equal to 9 in 1, we get minus 3x, 5 to 9, which is minus 6. Minus 6, 9 5 25. Minus 3x, minus 21. Plus x is equal to 17. Now you can say that and breadth it is 19. So yes, this is not a unit here. You have taken unit. So you this you write unit and also you write unit. So this much only. Next time we will meet in 3.6. This is the special type. This exercise 3.6. Otherwise you can say miscellaneous.